Reasons why you should start your day with soaked almonds. Adding soaked almonds to your daily or weekly health regimen can help you unlock all the nutrients and active ingredients in these popular nuts. While almonds themselves are pretty healthy, the soaked version is also a considerable option. What are soaked almonds? Soaked almonds are simply almonds that have been soaked overnight, rather than eaten in their raw form. Why soak almonds? This allows you to reduce the number of tannins and acids present in the skin of the nut, which can inhibit nutrient uptake by the body. Essentially, soaking these nuts in water will make more of their bounty bioavailable for use by your body. While almonds are certainly healthy enough on their own, soaking these nuts will enable you to absorb more vitamins and minerals from them, as well as stimulate enzymatic activity that can help improve digestion. Finally, some find soaked almonds more pleasant to eat in terms of texture. They can be used in various culinary preparations, too. Soaked almonds nutrition. This particular type of almond has many of the same nutrients as raw almonds, along with higher levels of key B vitamins and enzymes like lipase. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, blanched almonds are also a good source of potassium, dietary fiber, protein, and healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, and a low level of saturated fats. Calcium and iron are also found in almonds, in addition to powerful antioxidants that can improve overall health. How to soak almonds. If you want to switch from raw almonds to soaked almonds, you will need to think ahead, at least by a day. The most tried and true method is to simply add 2 cups of almonds to a bowl of water and cover them with warm water. After 12 hours, drain the water and add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then, fill the bowl with warm water again and allow them to sit for 12 hours. At the end of this 24-hour period, you can easily peel off the brown skin of the almonds, if it hasn't already separated. These soaked almonds can be stored for up to 1 week without losing any of their nutritional potency. Soaked almonds calories. 1 almond contains 7 calories. In 1 whole cup of soaked almonds, the calorie count stands at 827. Below is a precise soaked almonds nutrition breakdown. Fats, 0.61 g. Carbohydrates, 0.24 g. Proteins, 0.26 g. Benefits of soaked almonds. Integrating almonds into the morning regime can provide you miraculous health benefits as they are enriched with a multitude of vitamins, healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants. Here are the major soaked almonds benefits. 1. Skin and hair. Almonds contain vitamins that help improve the skin and hair. There is significantly more vitamin E available in soaked almonds than traditional raw almonds. This vitamin acts as an antioxidant to reduce inflammation and damage to both hair and skin. 2. Pregnancy. With again higher available levels of folic acid than raw almonds, soaked almonds can help to prevent neural tube defects, which is caused by a deficiency of folate. 3. Digestion. As almonds contain a good amount of dietary fiber, soaked almonds can help regulate peristaltic motion, thereby reducing symptoms of constipation, indigestion, bloating, and cramping. 4. Weight loss. According to a research paper published in the Science Journal of Agricultural Research and Management, soaked almonds contain more protein than raw almonds. Not only can the fiber found in soaked almonds help your digestive process, but it can also prevent feelings of hunger, which is ideal for people who are trying to cut back on their calorie consumption and lose weight. 5. Chronic disease. Almonds are an excellent source of antioxidants, which can neutralize free radicals and may help reduce your risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and rheumatoid arthritis. A systematic review published in the Nutrition Reviews led by Lang Wu suggests that intake of nuts like almond may help in against the risk of cancer, However, more scientific research is needed. Research conducted on rodents showed that soaked almonds exhibit vitamin E-dependent memory protective effect. This means that having overnight soaked almonds, which enriches the vitamin E content of almonds, has implications for effectively ameliorating memory impairment at low doses when consumed in empty stomach. 6. Heart health. Soaked almonds have high levels of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help balance cholesterol and prevent heart attacks, strokes, and atherosclerosis. A study conducted in 2015 suggests that intake of almonds may help reduce the risk of cardiometabolic diseases. Furthermore, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition shows that almonds, in general, can increase the HDL, good, cholesterol in patients suffering from coronary artery disease. 7. Improve brain functionality. Enriched with vitamin E, soaked almonds help preserve memory for an extended time. They boost agility due to the increased bioavailability of protein to the brain cells. This brain food also helps keep cognitive decline at bay as it contains phenylalanine known to enhance memory. It has been observed that integrating soaked almonds in the diet helps in keeping Alzheimer's disease away by increasing the levels of ACH, acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps enhance memory. Moreover, soaked almonds also contribute to effective brain development due to omega-6 and omega-3. 8. Prevents cancer. Integrating soaked almonds into your diet helps prevent cancer due to phytic acid's antioxidant properties. Moreover, soaked almonds also help in getting rid of constipation and stomach-related disorders, thereby preventing liver cancer. 9. Improves blood sugar levels. It is the low level of magnesium that contributes to low blood pressure. When you intake soaked almonds, it helps balance the magnesium level due to containing a higher quantity of magnesium. This, in turn, helps regulate blood pressure and manage the level of blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. 10. Shield against cell damage. One of the key reasons for skin aging and skin damage is oxidative damage. Since almonds are empowered with varied minerals and vitamins, including vitamin E, they safeguard skin against cell damage as vitamin E is reckoned as a powerful antioxidant.